In this video, we are talking about 10 important reasons everyone should learn how to invest. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. A recent UBS study indicates that most millennials are very risk-averse. But that's not very smart. Everyone needs to learn how to invest. It's the best way to build wealth over time. Here are 10 reasons that everyone, including millennials, should learn how to invest. 1. Investing can deliver great returns. Investing provides much higher returns than just holding money in a savings account. Diversification of assets. You've probably heard the saying that you shouldn't keep all your eggs in one basket. The same is true with investing, but investing should be just part of your basket. You shouldn't keep all your money in cash in your house or your car. You need to diversify your assets. Investing should make up one part of your financial picture, not all of it. You should have a nice pile of cash, your emergency fund, real estate, your house, hard assets, your car and other stuff, and then you should have your investments. It just makes financial sense. 3. The power of compounding.
Decisions.